Well, g'day curd nerds and welcome to another taste test. This time it's Lancashire. So Lancashire is a traditional English cheese and it's supposed to be very crumbly. So it has produced a little bit of CO2 in the bag. It's not as tight as I would expect it to normally be. Also, I don't know why, a little bit of mold growth, very tiny amount of mold growth underneath the vacuum packing, but not too perturbed about that. It looks fairly intact, a little bit of moisture underneath the plastic, but let's get this off. Get that out of the way. Get the plastic off. May need to dry it down a little bit, but we'll see. Now, before we start, this was made in the 28th of April 2019. Supposed to mature it for 3 months, and I've done that. It's about 6 months, April, May, June, July, August, September, 5 months. 5 months in its maturing. I think it's ready to try. So here goes. First of all, what's it smell like? Okay. A little bit of moisture in the bag. I'm a little bit concerned about that. And I noticed on the side there's a little bit of mold growth there, and it looks like a little bit of Penicillium roque 40 blue mold growth. Other than that, not too bad. I think I'm going to get some paper towel. It's a little bit moist, so let's do that. So you don't normally get this much moisture under the plastic. I think it's because of the mold that got into it. You can actually feel, is that calcium lactate? Could be. Could be some calcium lactate crystals in there. Let's just wipe this bit off. That's not becoming of a Lancashire. Sorry for all the banging, but the board's not level. A little bit more paper towel. Pat off the other side. Now you have to do this sometimes with cheese, not very often. We've seen in some previous taste tests that I didn't have to worry about this at all because the cheese was dry in its bag. It smells alright, there's nothing wrong, it smells cheesy. Doesn't smell off, there's no off smells at all. So I'm not too worried about that at all. Anyway, so that's dried off, that's cool. Right, let's get this out. See if I pressed it tight enough. Okay. Oh, nice cut there. Yeah, nice tight paste. I did quite well there, I think. Not too many issues with mechanical holes. Let's put that bit over there. And as is tradition, I'm going to cut it into quarters. And there we go. Get rid of the trusty scissors. Put it all over there and get rid of the cutting board. And now we're good. Here we go. So, even though blue mold didn't go all the way through, which is good, there's no issues with that. You can see that, yeah, that's quite good. These are close, nice, tight knit. Smells nice. Let's see how crumbly it is. I need a cracker, of course. The trusty cracker barrel. All right. Oop. I'll get that in front of me. All right, put that bit over there so we can see what we're doing. Let's get a bit of this cheese on a cracker. It is crumbly. It's just cracks open. Pretty good. It's still fairly tight, but not as crumbly as, say, oh, what's the crumbliest one I had recently? Probably the Wensleydale was more crumbly than anything. Let's try it by itself. Strong flavour. Quite creamy though. Surprised me a little bit. So crumbly and creamy, if that is a thing. Slight acidic undertones, which is good because it's a cheddar style cheese. No, it's very nice. Sharp, strong, which I'm surprised by the only amount of, 5 months of maturation. Totally different flavour from the cheeses I've tasted recently. This has got more body, more flavour. It's crumblier, but very nice. So I really do rate Lancashire. It's very good cheese. Now let me try a bit with half a cracker, shall we? Oh, that didn't work. Diagonal half. All right. Finish this bit first. Oh, that really grows on you. That's really nice cheese. Oh. Even more so with the cracker. It's very nice. This would be a good cooking cheese. You know, for grating and stuff like that. Make a good grilled cheese sandwich too, I reckon, because of its sharpness. Oh, lovely. It's a lovely cheese. I describe this cheese as creamy, crumbly, and sharp. Very nice all-rounded cheese. It'll go great in any dish that you want to put it in. I think there's a particular dish that you put it in Lancashire, but I can't remember what the name of the dish was. But yeah, it'll go great in a toasted cheese sandwich or grilled cheese sandwich because the flavour's all there, very strongish sort of flavour. Very nice cheese. I'd serve it up on a cheese platter. I'd actually serve this up with probably a darker red wine. Pinot Noir would go nice with it, as would a Cabernet Sauvignon would go well with it. I wouldn't go too heavy as far as the reds go, but a very nice cheese. I don't want to overpower either the wine or the cheese, but very nice. It'd go well on a cheese platter, that's for sure. Anyway, you can use the hard cheese kit over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au to make this cheese. Delightful flavour. And you can pick that up at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.